Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to solve linear equation in single variable. In this video we will be taking up these examples where the linear equation consists of these fractions. So let's start with our first example. The first one is 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. This is a linear equation in a single variable x and we need to find the value of x. So our purpose here is to separate the variables and the constant. For that we are going to remove this term from the left hand side. So we'll subtract 3 by 7 from both the sides. So subtracting 3 by 7 from both sides, we'll have 3 by 7 plus x. Then we'll subtract 3 by 7 from here and then 3 by 7 from the right hand side. So these two gets cancelled and on the left hand side we are left with only variable x, and on the right hand side we have 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. These are like fractions, so we can subtract the two numerators directly. So the answer will be 17 minus 3 by 7, which is equal to 14 by 7, and 14 by 7 can be reduced to 2. So the final answer is x is equal to 2. So let's move on to our second example. So our second example is x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Here too our purpose is to separate the variable and the constant. For that we'll remove this 1 from this term. So we'll subtract 1 from both sides. So this will become x by 3 plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. Now these two gets cancelled. On the left hand side we are left with x by 3, and on the right hand side we have a fraction 7 by 15 minus 1. So we'll solve this fraction by taking the LCM of the two fraction, which is 7 by 15 minus 1 can be written as 1 by 1. So the LCM will be 15. So this will become 7 minus 15 divided by 15. So now this will be x by 3 is equal to negative 8 divided by 15. For finding the value of x, we are going to multiply both the sides by 3. So multiplying both sides by 3. So this will be x by 3 times 3 is equal to negative 8 by 15 times 3. Here on the left hand side these three get cancelled. So we are left with x on the left hand side, and on the right hand side too we can reduce the terms here. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 5 is 15. So we are left with negative 8 by 5, which is our final answer. So the value of x is negative 8 by 5. So this is how we can solve this type of linear equation. Let us move on to our third and final example. So this equation can be solved in many ways. So the first way is by taking the LCM on both the sides. So here on the left hand side the LCM will be 3. So this will be 2x plus 3 divided by 3. And on the right hand side 15 will be the LCM. So this will be 7x plus 3 times 15. So this is 2x plus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 7x plus 45 divided by 15. Now we can cross multiply and solve this equation. These are two fractions, so we can cross multiply. On the left hand side will be 15 times 2x plus 3, and on the right hand side will be 3 times 7x plus 45. So 15 times 2 is 30. So 30x plus 45 is equal to 21x plus 45 times 3 will be 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 4 is 12, so this will be 135. Now we'll subtract 45 from both the sides. So we'll write subtracting 45 from both sides. So this will be 30x plus 45 minus 45 is equal to 21x plus 135 minus 45. So this 45 and 45 gets cancelled. So on the left hand side will be 30x is equal to 21x plus 135 minus 45 will be 90. Now as we need to find the value of x and we have x on both the sides of the equation, we can subtract negative 21x from both the sides. Subtracting 21x from both sides. So this will be 30x minus 21x is equal to 21x plus 90 minus 21x. So this 21x and 21x gets cancelled. 30 minus 21 will be 9x is equal to 90. For finding the value of x, we need to divide both the sides by 9. Dividing both sides by 9. So this will be 9x divided by 9 is equal to 90 divided by 9. So this 9 and 9 gets cancelled. On the right hand side, this is 9 times 1 and 9 times 10. So the value of x comes out to be 10. This is our final answer. So this is how you can solve linear equations having fractions. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.